RRB Group D. Exam syllabus. Mathematics. Number system. Bod mass. Decimals. Fractions. LCM. HCF. Ratio and proportion. Percentages. Mensuration. Time and work. Time and distance. Simple and compound interest. Profit and loss. Algebra. Geometry. Trigonometry. Elementary statistics. Square root. Age calculations. Calendar and clock. Pipes and cistern. General intelligence and reasoning. Analogies. Alphabetical and number series. Coding and decoding. Mathematical operations. Relationships. Syllogism. Jumbling. Venn diagram. Data interpretation and sufficiency. Conclusions and decision making. Directions. Statement. Arguments and assumptions. General science. Physics. Chemistry. Life sciences. Earth sciences. Environmental sciences. Astronomy and space technology. Computer and mobile technology. Inventions and discoveries. Nutrition. Military technology. Diseases. General awareness on current affairs. Science and technology. Sports. Culture. Personalities. Economics. Politics. Geography. History. Miscellaneous topics.